2012 Chevy Camaro SS 6.2 liter, fully built. Just wait till you guys hear it. He brought it in for an exhaust leak. We'll show you guys the exhaust leak in a second. Just wait till you hear it, okay? So stay till the end till you hear it. Anyways, as you guys can see, it was hit right here and it broke the flange. So we went ahead and welded it for him. So it stops leaking right there. Then he had another leak right there on that clamp and we welded it up there for him also. And then as you guys can see, finished it. The rest of the system stayed the same. Has an X pipe, fully straight pipe, and then it leaked over here also and we fixed it right there. And then it's got an axle back BORLA there, BORLA ATAK axle back there and there, and then into 5-inch roll tips that fit it really nicely, really cleanly. So we did that too. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. 2012 SS. You guys ready to hear this thing chop? I am. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Ah, it sounds phenomenal. Here, sound that smoke. Wow. 127, guys. That is insane. It's got built cam. It's all bolt-on parts, too. Is it stuck? You got like this much space. And it's clean too. For some reason, the orange ones always sound so good. Why is that? Have you guys noticed that too? That the orange ones always sound so good? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, let you guys hear it on the inside. Hooker gap back system. See the hooker? Go ahead. That was good. Yeah, it's running rich. It needs the tool. That's what that smoke you're seeing is. That's fuel. at it, guys. That is insane. It's got built cam. It's all bolt-on parts too. Still loud. It is cleaner. You can add another shift in the middle. Still sounds badass though. There's sound decibels. Again. Still 123. What was it? Oh, much better. So when it was straight line, 129. We did a video of it earlier. Got the 360 on it. He's ready to go. Camaro SS 6.2 liter. Fully built. Sounds so good. Oh man, I love it. What do you guys think? I think it sounds phenomenal. Sounds so good. Did you hear it through the phone? Ooh, 6.2 liter Camaro. Fully built. Wow. That sounded phenomenal. Without the 360 camera. Man, what a beast! Beast mode out of BORLA. Enjoy, guys.